Okay, we have DMAS operation. Let's see sum number 1, example 1. 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 17 plus 15 minus 23. First we'll take division. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Multiplied by 17 DMAS, and then you can add these two, get minus 8. So 85, 17 into 5 is 85 minus 8, it's 77. That is the answer. Okay, here we'll take the bracket first. 125 minus 57. This is 2 multiplied by 125 minus 7 is 68. 68 divided by 8 and minus 10. So 68 into 2 is 136 divided by 8, 136. 36 divided by 8 is 17 minus 10 equals 7. So these are the two examples, and you could work on sums based on this.